Hi, today we are going to talk about how to build thousands of backlinks using AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to build up to 1 million backlinks using AI. So if you are worried about doing outreach, guest posts, spending so much money on backlinks, here's the savior: AI monster tools. We have a link builder tool which is built with AI, and you can use different AI models like ChatGPT, Cloud, DeepSeek, Menos, and most of them to build up to 1 million backlinks automatically. All you have to do is just put in your keyword, your target URL, and let the AI do its job. And it's going to set up the your keyword and also the anchor text, and it's going to be on autopilot. And how it functions is the link insertion process. So this is going to the internet, find niche related URLs or high DRDA backlinks to build thousands of backlinks for your website, thereby increasing your domain authority, increasing your domain ratings. And backlinks is one of the most important aspects when it comes to search engine optimization, when it comes to marketing and SEO. So with this automatic link building tool, you are good to go, and you don't have to worry about penalty. You don't have to worry about spam because it's been built in such a way that it filters all bad URLs and make sure the link insertion are all naturally built and appear as white hat. So if you are worried about getting penalties or getting bad links, don't worry about that. I've been using this tool for years now, and it seems to be working very well. And I use this to outrank a lot of companies. So without wasting much of the time, let's get started. If you are not a member, please subscribe so you get the next update. Now here we have this the AI monster tools, and here there are thousands, I mean hundreds of tools that you can access. Most of them free of charge. You don't have to pay nothing. So now let's get to why we are going to talk about this AI link building tool. First of all, we move here to AI link builder. We click on it. We move down to autonomous link building. So start our link building campaign. We land on this page. This is just a service page for the link building tool, but then we are not going to discuss about this. So let's move to view tool here. By clicking on the view tool, it takes us to the software where we can start building our backlinks automatically. I mean, automatically. You don't have to do nothing. All you got to do is just do the settings, which I'm going to show you right now. So if you have a copy of your AI link building software from AI Monster Tools, you can follow this process to make sure you start building your backlinks successfully. So let me show it to you. First of all, we're going to paste in our key to activate. So the license is activated. So once it's activated, it says this license allows for one complete campaign run up to its specified URL limit. Running multiple full campaigns on the same target with identical settings may not provide additional SEO benefits and could be counterproductive. Please plan your campaign successfully. So we click on I understand. So now my key is activated. Don't worry about trying this key because I'm going to deactivate it after this video. So now go to choose URL, and then we are going to upload our URL. So here, the license that we've just activated give us the opportunity to run up to 1 million backlinks. So you can see here we have status is active, expired on 30th, and maximum URLs for this license is 1 million. And the file we just uploaded contains 1.2 million backlinks. So the tool is going to insert backlinks automatically. I mean, up to 1 million backlinks is going to run the internet and insert 1 million backlinks on autopilot. That is going to happen automatically. I don't have to do nothing. All I have to do is just the settings that I'm going to show it to you right now. So the first step to do is go to tool settings. So in the tool settings here, we have enable direct Google indexing submission. So the Google indexing submission is automatically built in the software, where after building the backlinks, the software is going to submit these links naturally, automatically to Google. You don't have to do nothing, but it's going to be like a drip feed. What I mean by drip feed is that it's not going to submit all the 1 million backlinks automatically to Google. That's gonna look spammy. So it's going to submit them gradually. It can take up to 4 weeks, I don't know, to submit them, but it's going to submit them gradually and make it appear naturally. So Google will see and discover all these backlinks, index them, and boost your ranking. So that is why we have to tick this box to make it enable. Here we have enable dynamic IP rotation, enable detailed login. The detailed login here, activity login, you can see URL loaded from file, license activated, and also monster initialized. So back to tool settings, I have to click on save. Okay, so operational settings updated. So it's updated. And now let's go back to AI engine. So by the AI engine, go to next, next step, and let's see. I hope it's gonna go to the end. Connect. Okay, so now we are connected to Chat GPT. So the tool is going to start working and is connected in the background with ChatGPT using the API from ChatGPT to build these backlinks automatically. And the message content is changing. That is why it's also connected to ChatGPT. So it's going to be like personalized outreach message for the link insertion. Most of the time, that is what happens. And we can also connect to Google Gemini. We can also connect to Grok. We can also connect to DeepSeek and also Cloud from Anthropic. Don't worry about the API charges because everything is being taken care of by AI monster tools. So now the next thing to do is let's take a look at the campaign analytics. Is okay. Content tools is these are some of the tools that AI monster tools are offering. So if you are interested and want to check them out, you can just click one of the button and it's going to take you to that tool, or go to the homepage to take a look at some of the tools that we have there. And the add-ons here we have directory listings, citations, building guest posts, social signals, and authority backlinks. Here, what's happening is that if you have the upgraded version of your package, you will get all of these backlinks. So it's not going to be only link insertion, but it's going to be one, two, three, four, five different types of backlinks, and also block backlinks. So right now the license that I just activated, it doesn't include this. That is why I see package upgrade required. All right, so let's continue to run and monitor. By the run and monitor, so this is where we can start running our campaign. Let's take a look at the dashboard before we come back. So the dashboard, we have our license open. Processing is going to process up to 1 million backlinks. Links built, we have zero. The AI model that we are currently connected to is ChatGPT from OpenAI. So the campaign target is AI monster. We are using this as an example. And the recent activity, this is what we've done so far. We are connected to ChatGPT and the operational settings, and also 1.2 million URLs uploaded, ready to start the link insertion, link building campaign. So now let's move back to run and monitor. Here we have total URLs to build 1 million. So AI a monster, and we have the top competitors. So these are examples that the tool automatically generates for the link building campaign. Here we have the proxy. The proxy is enabled. Let's check the settings and see something. Okay, so back to run and monitor. We can see proxy is connected. So if you are worried about your IP address getting exposed, you don't have to worry about that because it's already built in. And so you don't need VPN and you don't need extra IP. So all you have to do is just to make sure this is green and connected. If the software is programmed in such a way that once the IP or the proxy disconnect, it will go red and the campaign is going to stop automatically. You don't have to do anything. It's going to stop the campaign automatically and request for the proxy to be reconnected before the campaign will continue. So now let's click on start campaign to see what is going to happen. All right, so we've clicked on start campaign. Now our link building campaign and process has begun. So here we have processed, we have pending, we have success, we have errors. So some of the URLs, some of the backlinks are giving us errors. Okay, so here we have links built. So in just about 1 minute, the software, the AI is able to build up to 1,000 backlinks in just under 1 minute. So that means it's running very fast. And all of these backlinks will soon start appearing when you check Href or Moz, but it's going to take about a week, sometimes longer, because they have very slow crawlers for them to start seeing all these backlinks. So people are asking most of the time, how long is it going to take for me to see my links? How long is it going to take for us to see the links appearing? So a lot of people work with us and they are seeing results, and they are seeing a lot of backlinks appearing in Href and Moz. So once you finish your campaign, you're just going to give it some time because some of the webmasters require a lot of time, or some are slow, and it's going to take some time for some backlinks to be approved. As they come into the server, they are getting indexed by Href or by Moz. So that is what is happening right now. And here we have the discovery status. It says scanning. So scanning means the website, all of these URLs that are being discovered by the tool are being scanned, and the link insertion is happening automatically. You don't have to do nothing. There is all. So I have my hands up. All I have to do is just watch my links build, or leave my PC. I don't know how long it's going to take for me to build up to 1 million backlinks. I just go out. If it's going to, it can take half a day, it can take a day, 2 days, 3 days, depending on your PC and your CPU speed. So that is all about the link building campaign. So people are thinking, so, and there are a lot of videos and people showing you how to build backlinks automatically using AI, but it's not like this, because you have to first of all make your research, find broken backlinks, and use AI to start sending emails to the webmasters, asking them for link opportunity. If you can send them an article for them to put it in their website. So that takes a lot of time, and a lot of time people get rejected because it's been saturated, this strategy. So why should you worry about doing outreach, looking for broken links opportunity, which is going to take so much time for you to end up getting about 1% of your efforts, when you can use a tool like this to start your link building campaign automatically? You don't have to do nothing. And you can also build hundreds of landing pages or domains to target specific keyword, and build up to 1 million backlinks to these domains and start ranking them and getting all the traffic to your website. This is your choice. This is the opportunity that I'm giving you. That is one of the best opportunity. So this tool is one of the best in the internet currently. All right. So take advantage of it and start building your backlinks automatically. So now let's see network active for the proxy discovery rate. So this is our discovery rate, and we have discovery status scanning, and also we have the process pending success, the errors. Oh, the errors is getting is a lot, but when you see this is about 9% of the total links built, So let's continue. Let's check at the dashboard. Okay, so processing links built, everything seems to be working successfully, and about 1,000 URLs are currently being submitted for indexing. So index estimation is 704, but that doesn't mean they have been indexed. So that means the indexing or the crawlers has been notified about these URLs. It's going to take time for them to get to be, and for them to be crawled and indexed. So here we have our setup and license. It says, thank you for using this tool. We will help you rank. So that is all what it is about. So if you are interested and want to try out this tool, this is the savior. So people are saying, SEO is dead. Why don't you take advantage of it? Instead of focusing all your effort, your money, everything on one page or one domain, you build different landing pages, you build different domains, and just start building millions of backlinks to each domain and let them rank. If you have 10 main seed keywords, you build 10 domains, build millions of backlinks to these domains. So they're going to end up ranking on the first page and you get the traffic. So that is how you can take advantage of tools like this. So don't let this walk by without you getting your license and start using tools like this to build millions of backlinks. So if you find this interesting, comment below and let me know how I can help you get a copy of the software, or just go to aimonstertools.com and start building your backlinks today for your website. And if you have any question, like I said, subscribe, drop your comments in the description below. I will link, or I will write the link to this tool in the description. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.